Welcome back to the Mid-Year YouTube channel. In today's episode, I'm fixing the wipers on the 63, so be sure to stick around. Also, if you're new to the YouTube channel, please hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps my channel out. I don't know if you've noticed in the background when I've been shooting misfit videos that on my red 63, I took the windshield wipers off, and that's because I put the linkage together wrong, and they actually go down instead of up. So that's a bit of a problem. So to solve this, I need to get to the wiper motor, so I could either go through the bottom and take off the radio side panel. May have to take some of the console apart and try to climb under there to get to the wiper motor, or I could take the glove box out. So I'm going to try the glove box approach first. So I got the glove box out of the way, and you can see the passenger side wiper transmission is a little pivot that's on the wiper motor. So what it looks like is it's 180 degrees out. So I got to take this nut off and then flip the pivot around so that this arm will be extended over here rather than over here, and the same for the other side, and hopefully that should fix my problem. So to show you the problem I was having with my wipers, I made a little model out of some of my childhood connects. So this will be the wipers acting normal. So whenever you put the wipers in the car, you need to make sure you have your wiper transmission on the driver's side, the link going up, and on the passenger side, the link going down. Because if you don't, I'm pretty sure they only go in one way, but if they don't, the windshield wipers will go down like that. So in my car, I ended up having it in the correct orientation, so you would rotate it, the wipers should go up. My problem was I had this little crank on backwards. So in my case, instead of being right here, we're here. So whenever it was parked, the wipers should be up. So if we put them down to where they should be, the wiper arms go down. So whenever they were parked, they'd be parallel, but you turn them on, they'd go down. That was the problem. So the fix in my case was pull this around, reattach it, and that park. Now they work. So if you're setting your windshield wiper transmissions up, the driver's side goes up, passenger side goes down, and then this guy faces, will be about like that when the motor is in park. It faces the passenger side and it points up slightly. So if you do that, your wipers should work fine. So I'll show you what the wipers look like running in reverse. Alright, now I got that linkage flipped around, so the motor should work correctly. Oh yeah, they're going up now. Oh yeah. Low speed. Park. So if you ever need to service your wiper motor or work on your wiper linkage, it's really easy to go through the glove box, just remove the whole assembly, and you can service it from there rather than trying to take your console apart and crawling up through like the radio side panels behind the radio. So that's why I did. It worked out pretty well. So if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I have a lot more videos coming up on the YouTube channel about classic Corvettes that you're not going to want to miss, and I have a lot of work to do, so I'll catch you guys later. So I had the wiper motor professionally rebuilt, so I'm not sure if I didn't have the wiper motor parked properly whenever I put it in, but I put the crank that goes on the back of the motor on 180 degrees out of sync. So what that meant is that whenever the wiper motor would turn, the wipers would go down instead of up, because this wiper arm has to move counterclockwise, that one has to move clockwise to go up. So you have to have the pivots oriented in the way to make sure that works. So before you put your wipers in your car, make sure you properly orient them.